At 2 in the morning, while the creator sleeps, a course on advanced spreadsheet formulas sells for $47 to someone in Manila. 20 minutes later, a course on cold email scripts sells to someone in Berlin. By the time she wakes up, 4 courses have sold across 3 continents. She did not get lucky. She built 40 narrow courses in 18 months, each one a small machine, and now they run without her. This is the assembly line. Start with why most course creators fail. They aim too big. They try to build the complete masterclass, 40 hours, every topic, the one course that teaches everything. It takes a year. It exhausts them, and it competes head-on with thousands of other complete masterclasses. The creator in this story did the opposite. She picked tiny, painful, specific problems, not learn marketing. Instead, how to write a cold email that gets a reply. One narrow promise, solvable in an hour of video, priced low enough to buy on impulse. The insight is that narrow sells better than broad. A buyer with a specific problem searches for a specific solution. Someone who needs to fix one Excel formula does not want a 30-hour Excel degree. They want the answer to that one thing now, and they will pay 10 times the value to skip the frustration. 40 narrow courses can each rank, each get found, each convert a motivated buyer. One giant course competes for one giant crowded keyword. Small is not a compromise here. Small is the strategy. Now the bottleneck. Even narrow courses take real work. Outline, script, slides, voiceover, edit, workbook, sales page. Done by hand, that is 2 to 3 weeks per course. 40 courses by hand is most of a decade. That math is why almost nobody builds a catalog. The whole thing only becomes possible when each step stops being a custom job and becomes a template the AI fills in. That is the difference between a hobby and an assembly line. Here is the line itself. Step 1, the outline. She feeds the AI the narrow promise and her own bullet points of real knowledge, and it returns a structured lesson plan she edits in minutes. Step 2, the script. The AI drafts each lesson from the outline in her voice, and she corrects facts and adds the things only she knows. The AI is fast and confident and sometimes wrong, so this step is never skipped. Her expertise is the part that cannot be generated. The AI just removes the blank page. Step 3, the assets. Slides generated from the script, a workbook generated from the lessons, a quiz generated from the key points, all drafted by AI and polished by hand. Step 4, the voice. Some creators record themselves. She uses an AI voice trained on her own samples, so 40 courses sound like one person without 40 days in a booth. Step 5, the sales page. The AI writes the first draft of the title, the description, and the bullet points, and she sharpens the hook. Each step alone saves hours. Stacked, they turn 3 weeks into about 3 days. But speed is the trap. Anyone can now generate 40 mediocre courses in a month, and the marketplaces are filling with exactly that. The thing that protects her is that she only makes courses on things she actually knows, and every script passes through her judgment. AI handles the assembly, she handles the truth. A course that is fast and wrong gets refunded and reviewed into oblivion. The line works because the human stays in it, not because the human steps out. Now the part that decides whether any of this pays, the platform. Where you sell takes a cut, and the cuts are wildly different. A large open marketplace can take the majority of the sale price and control the price through constant discounting. So a $47 course can net you a few dollars after their fees and a sale. Your own hosted platform keeps almost everything but brings you no traffic, so you must drive every visitor yourself. The catalog only compounds if you understand which of those you are in. Her answer was to use both, on purpose. New courses launch on the big marketplace to borrow its search traffic and its built-in buyers, accepting the thin margin as the cost of discovery. The courses that prove themselves get a second home on her own platform, full price, sold to her email list and her audience, where she keeps the lion's share. The marketplace finds the demand. Her own store captures the profit. Neither one alone would have worked. And catalogs compound in a way single products never do. 40 courses mean 40 front doors. Each one ranks for its own narrow search. Each one is an ad for the other 39, and a buyer who likes the cold email course buys the follow-up sequence course the same week. The first course earned almost nothing. By course 40, the bundle, the cross-sells, and the email list were doing the heavy lifting. The early work looked like failure. It was actually inventory. There is a ceiling, and it is honest to name it. Refund rates, review scores, and platform algorithm changes can all bite. A marketplace can change its fee or bury your listing overnight, which is exactly why she never built only there. Topics go stale, especially software ones, so courses need updates, and AI makes the updates cheap but not free. This is a business, not a button. It runs while she sleeps because she did the building while she was awake. The fantasy is that AI builds the business for you. The reality is quieter and better. AI removes the blank page, the booth, the slide grind, the sales copy, every part that used to make a catalog impossible for one person. What it cannot remove is the thing that makes the catalog worth buying, which is that you actually know something true and you chose to teach it 40 small times. The line runs while she sleeps. She is the reason it is worth running. If the assembly line idea clicked, episode 24 goes deeper into the same playbook. A KDP author published 30 AI-assisted books and cleared $9,000 a month, and it walks the exact compliance line that keeps a catalog like that alive. Same machine, different shelf. It is on this channel.